Hi, I'm Kelly, and I hated public speaking. No matter what I did, it seemed I couldn't relax, I couldn't be myself, I couldn't get rid of the shaky voice, and not to mention the occasional hives that would pop up, so that was super fun. I absolutely hated public speaking. It was a huge, huge fear of mine. And, as I started to realize that my career was expanding, I realized that I was being held back by the fact that I couldn't public speak comfortably and that I didn't have the confidence that I needed to share my voice and my expertise. And that was a problem for me. So, I realized that I was being required in a lot of meetings to speak up, in boardrooms and at events, and honestly, in anticipation of a book that I have coming out early next year. So I knew that I had a lot of these things coming up, and it was time for me to face this fear head on. And in doing that, I decided to do a quick Google search and came across Bob Zuma. And I really thought his approach was very unique. And the fact that he used the word cure was very different from any of the other approaches that, the coaches that I had kind of come across in my searches. Those seemed to kind of maybe focus more on the symptoms of public speaking and kind of forcing yourself to calm down. Whereas Bob really gets to the root of the issue and helps you understand the science behind where that fear actually comes from. The beauty is it's kind of like a little switch, right? Like once you understand it, you can start to kind of, work with it and have it be something that you reevaluate and kind of change your perspective on, right? So I went from feeling super, like all this pressure and super uncomfortable in front of the camera and public speaking to feeling actually excited to talk and share my viewpoints and all the experience and knowledge that I do have. So I really feel like I have a lot to owe Bob in that. His science-backed approach really, really gave me the confidence that I needed to understand public speaking. And I'm just thrilled to see where the future goes with this, because now I'm finally in a position where I feel confident and excited, and I can't wait to have my next event. So if you're looking to change your perspective on public speaking and go from being scared to get up there to being super excited about getting up there, I highly suggest and recommend Bob Zuma and his approach to public speaking. He will be right there alongside you, and he is a partner in this with you. It's the best decision I ever made, and I can't wait to see how my career is going to benefit from all the things that I learned from Bob in this process. So thanks again, Bob, for everything. And I look forward to staying in touch with you over the years and having you watch where my career goes because of all this. Thank you.
Hey, Bob here. If this video is hitting home, don't just stop here. Go take my free public speaking fear quiz to get your personal fear score and instantly watch my 15-minute workshop. You'll learn why traditional tips and tricks fail and how I've helped over 700 coaching clients and well over 1,500 online course professionals speak fearlessly in just 21 days with a 99.2 success rate. There's no fluff, no sales pitch, just the fix. So just click the link below in the description to get started. Thank you so much.